ba? 6 hours. It's alright. Okay, kumakapit pa yung tali.
You read between these lines, feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing all this. Waiting, waiting, waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting.
Baba, careful. Careful. Where's your... No, I'll do it.
They got sweeties.
I have a big one.
That's
Yeah.
a big girl, darling.
What you guys say to Daddy?
Thank you. Do this in my mouth.
Oh, no.
Yes. Hello, please. Yummy.
Golly, that's mine.
That's mine, yummy.
Okay, come on, Baba.
Cut
Oh,
it.
yeah, I'll cut it here. What's that? Good? Yung akin na. Next.
Buck it up.
This is mine. Si Kuya tapos na, oh. Gusto niya pa. Siya na talaga ang malaki ang bituka. Gusto niya mag-Yakult. Paubos na yung Yakult namin. Hindi ko alam kung kailan kayo makakabili ng Yakult. Or makakapunta ng town. Tapos na siya magluto. And binuksan namin yung front door kasi mausok. Naririnig niyo, guys? Lakas ng hangin. Tapos, ulan.
Mama.
Yes. Yan. Tapos na sila mag-breakfast. And, ayan na naman sila. Careful, ha? Baba, I told you get your ipin.
Fire the baby to sleep.
Oh, kita niyo yung baby niya. Where's your baby?
The baby's dead.
Andun yung baby niya. Oh, ano daw, natutulog. Hindi sila, oh, careful. Hindi sila makalabas. Umuulan eh. Dito lang kami, guys, sa loob. Tingnan niyo, oh. Wow.
Look at mine. My boat.
Yes.
Wait, do you see
Lalaro
my
na sila ng
car?
Lego.
Do you see my car?
Okay.
Do you see mine?
Malakas ang ulan sa labas, guys, and malamig.
Darling. Do
Wow!
you see my car?
Alright. Ayun, ipakita yung gawa niya. Si Daddy
Mom,
lumabas
I have a roof.
sa, ano lang, sa pagola. What's that?
I have a roof.
You have a roof.
I have a Santa. I have a
What do you have? Radio. Later we're gonna fix the groceries in Holly's room, okay? You help Mommy. Kuya, you help Mommy, ha? Mamaya ayusin namin yung ano.
Then we have to go to PS4.
No, PS4. 2 days na sila walang PS4. It's alright. You can still play here. PS4! Akong kilay, guys.
Mom, we're gonna automate the tent, but now I wanna do this.
No tent because gusto nilang gumawa ng
But
tent.
we're not the tent.
No.
We
Mag-
will.
gusto nila mag-tent dito sa
We
loob.
will.
Tapos maglilinis daw sila sa ni Holly.
So I said I want to make a tent, but now.
Yeah, you're not because you're playing your Lego now. Alright, best friend.
Tomorrow.
Do you have your undies or panty? Let me see. Let me.
Don't say it.
Why?
You're not allowed.
Why?
People will see my undies.
Oh, diba? Ay, ipakita kasi makikita niyo raw ang kanyang panty.
Would the guys see my undies?
Oh, the guys will see her undies. Tama naman nga, Mommy. You right now, Kuya?
Yeah.
So, basta ipapakita niya sa daddy niya.
My toe.
Wow! Wow! Can we show it now?
Yeah.
Okay, where's your tali nga? Ipit. Where's your ipit?
Then I'm going out of the boat. I have to go fishing
Daddy's
now.
coming.
I have to go fishing.
Fishing? You're gonna go fishing now?
Yeah.
Alright. Say see you guys.
See you guys. See ya.
See ya.
Kuya?
Are you finished, Kuya? No, not yet. Ang lakas ng ulan. Oh. Lakas ng ulan.
Look,
Kaya,
I put
ayan.
a plaster on it.
ay, what's wrong with my best friend?
I want my life jacket.
Life jacket! Alright,
And I
later.
made a caravan, but then
Yeah.
I had to wreck it. So I
Mag-film sana kami ni Holly. Kaso nga, mas
Here
malakas
we
pang
go.
ulan sa boses namin ni Holly. Hindi ako maririnig. You right, Zach? What's wrong? No PS4. No PS4. Edit na lang ako muna. Sila, oh. Busy na naman sila dito. May mabubunot na sila. Oh! Ilan na lang. O, diba? Kahapon lang yan, diba? Dalawa na lang yung natitira na Oreo. Magsaing muna ako. Nag-edit kasi ako, guys. So, para at least, kahit nag-edit ako yung bigas, ay yung rice cooker, ongoing na. And yung lunch nila, ang ulam ay, eto yung nuggets. Ang tagal na nito, nung hindi pa nagpa-panic buying ko to nabili. Kasi last time, di ba, nung nagkarap ako ng nuggets, wala na, ubusan na talaga kahit saang groceries. And eto, yung last kong nabili sa Coles. And buti na lang si Jan nakabili ng maraming nuggets sa doon sa frozen food na distributor daw yan. And magluluto ako ng toging spring roll. So, yung mga bata, andun pa rin sila sa sala kasama si Jan. Naglalaro pa rin sila ng Lego. And yung rug na kinover ni Sak sa akin kahapon, kagabi, ayun, ginagawa nilang parang tent. Hindi pa pala to bukas. Buksan natin to. So, ayan, 5 kilos. Tingnan natin kung hanggang kailan siya tatagal. Nakapagkilay na ako, guys. Mukhang tao na tayo. And kanina pumunta sila. What's wrong? What's wrong with your TV? What? Nagrereklamo siya. Fix it, Han. Ano nangyari sa TV? What's wrong?
That they pressed the button and
What
I
button?
never pressed any button now.
So now it's not working? Oh, parang something wrong sa TV nila. Baba, fix the couch, please. Ayan yung kuya, ni Kuya. What's that, Kuya? Garage. Garage. Yeah, I know. Rain. And malamig. Inaayos ko lang to kasi tingnan nyo na naman yung couch. Nakapag hindi pa luto yung kanin. Tumawag yung kapatid ko. Kausap ko yung kapatid ko. No, maybe 15 minutes.
15? That's long. Where's the nugget?
Here, Baba. Here's the nugget.
Are they dinosaurs?
Dinosaur, yes. The dinosaur one. Ito na yung nilalagay ko yung baking paper. Kasi, sabi nyo, hindi healthy yung aluminum foil. Nabasa ko rin yung before. Pero parang, wala lang. Parang na-ignore ko siya. Tapos maraming nag-comment. And nakinig ako sa inyo, guys. Yummy daw. Ayan yung dinosaur nuggets. 15 minutes. Oops, wait. 200 Celsius. Then, 15 minutes. Meron.
Spanners. Holly, go get that little chair, please, in my bedroom.
Ano siya ngayon, guys? Tubero si Mr. ngayon. Ayan yung kanyang mga gamit. Kasi medyo, something wrong sa aking,
I'm a plumber, mate.
Why no chair? Why in a chair?
Oh,
that one.
not that one, the round one. Oh. Kasi eto ba, medyo siya, oh. Ayan, hindi siya magandang, hindi ba siya soft na ito? Hindi siya ganyan dati.
What?
Plumber siya ngayon, guys. Hindi namin matawagan yung,
Plumber.
you're the plumber. Sinasabi ko kasi. Si Melissa darating, yung kapatid niya, and ang asawa nun, plumber, pero hindi siya makakapunta. So, siya ngayon ang plumber. Si Johnny Boy ang plumber. Diba? Oh, that's my
That's rubbish.
No, because I wanna order this again pag tapos na ang mga kaganapan sa mundo. Eto, guys, ang sarap. Etong Ervin salted egg. Ang sarap nito. Meron pa akong isa. Pero oh, that's for my silicone cover. Yeah, plumber siya ngayon. Ha?
Look, sweetie, I need a toothbrush.
That's a man.
That's for Kuya TJ. Sa school niya yung galing.
Kuya,
What's that in their hand? Ah, akin na. Mga lumang kubyertos. Pag nagkulang bang may bisita, so ito yung ginagamit. Pwede kong gamitin. Basta yan, mga luma siyang ano, cutlery. Oh, that's for my shopping.
Do you need a
Ayan na siya, oh. Plumber for today, Johnny Boy. What? What do you think? Can you do it? Ang tagal na namin hindi nakita si Mel kasi nga nag-isolate kami, di ba? Si Jan lang yung parang lumalabas. Hindi naman araw-araw. Pero kami ng mga bata, since nung nung pinull out namin sila sa school, hindi na nakakalabas yung mga bata. Kahit mag-bike sa kapitbahay o dito, hindi na. Dito lang sila sa loob talambay o kaya dun sa labas sa, namin, sa Pagola. Han? Tapos ang tagal na nila hindi nakikita ni si Auntie Mel. Ha? Move it a little bit. Where? Left or right? Oh. Is that right? Oh, that's it. Is it alright? Or here? Which way? Left or right? Hindi kita marinig.
I fix it.
I hope so, Daddy can fix it. Last naming nakita si Mel
I
nung
think so that can fix it.
pumunta kami sa shed ni Dad kasi nandun, di ba, dinala niya yung kanyang bagong caravan. So, yun yung last naming kita. Medyo matagal na rin yun.
Jay, you got it now?
Why are you there? Did you see the problem? Ask Daddy if he can see the problem of our sink.
Dad? Dad?
Just say it. He's listening. Ask Daddy if he see the problem of our tap.
Dad?
You see it, Han?
You see now?
Pinicturan niya.
Dad,
I know. Blah, blah. Ano?
Just do that.
What? Wiggle?
Just a little bit like that.
O, diba? Tingnan nyo, guys. O, wala pa siyang ginagawa. Ganito na siya, o. Hindi yan ganyan.
Off the cake!
Napansin ko siya kagabi. Kasi ginaganyan ko, parang matigas siya. Hindi ba siya smooth? Siguro, ayan, o. Matatanggal siya, o. Okay, now. And eto, ginamit ko to nung binalatan ko yung shrimp ni Jan. Yung hipon. Pero hinugasan ko kasi nga, nagtitipid tayo sa gloves kasi nagkakaubusan din ng gloves dito. Pinag-aaralan niya ng mabuti yung mga nakuna niyang picture sa ilalim ng sink. Yung ating nuggets, yung iba, okay na. Shake lang natin. Ha? So what you gonna do? Wala raw siyang... Oh, so Jay's coming. What? Oh, tapos na yung ating nuggets.
Unless it's that.
Wait, what's this?
So you cannot fix it.
Unless it's that one. You might have to turn that one. Push that up, I reckon.
You reckon? Not sure? Just don't touch it, Han. Kasi wala si Jason eh. Hindi siya makakapunta. O, tatawagan niya na. Call help. Ito nga. Gusto ko to. Ang sarap nito, guys. At saka yung isa, meron pa. Kaya tinago ko to para hindi ko ba makalimutan. Pinicturean ko siguro to. Pero tinago ko pa rin yung Ito, ang sarap din nito, guys. Hindi ko na alam kung ano. Ayan, salted egg, fish skin. Ayan. Sarap niyan. Kaya pala tinawagan niya kasi sinan niya yung mga pictures ng sink namin doon sa asawa ni Mel. Hindi ko alam kung makakapunta kasi sabi niya si Melissa lang. So, tingnan natin kung pupunta si Jace. But Auntie Mel is coming, right, Zach? Definite? Yeah. In-instruct na lang sa kanya yung gagawin niya.
Yeah, I can see where it was, yeah.
But tell me if you are no.
So, he's not coming, Han?
No.
Just Mel?
Yeah. Later.
I don't have email.
Huh?
Not naughty.
Is Jace working?
No, he's just home.
Oh, may ginagawa rin pala si Jay sa bahay nila kaya hindi siya makakapunta.
Nice.
Good luck, Han.
You have to come here and hold it.
Alright. What do you want me to do?
We'll see where it's been sitting before. Look, see the sides. You
Yeah,
want to sit
okay.
it in the middle.
Okay. Okay. Like this? It's in the middle. Okay, wait lang, guys.
I don't know if I can. It's the right side or not.
Good luck, honey.
But tell me if you are.
I've got to tighten it up more. Here, hold it in the middle.
Middle?
Hard.
Okay. No, it's not moving.
Yeah, I know it's still moving. But I've got to wait. Oh, no, down there.
Auntie Mel? Ah, may dadalhin pa si Auntie Mel. Hintayin na lang namin si Auntie Mel kasi merong ipapahiram yatang tools sa kanya. But you did your best, honey. Luto na yung ating chicken nuggets. And ayan yung gusto nilang sauce. Barbecue at saka tomato sauce. And kausap ko pa rin yung kapatid ko, guys. Are you talking to tita? Kuya,
Thank you.
You're welcome. Baba,
Thank you.
You're welcome. Eat now.
I need some spoon.
Okay. No. I'm talking. I'm talking, kuya.
Oh, ina. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ang kalat pa rin, guys, oh. Wala pa si Auntie Mel. Here's your spoon, Baba, oh.
Thank you po.
You're welcome po. Kuya, Saki.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay. Enjoy your dinner, lunch. Si may ano ka na naman dito? Ano siya? Nagkakamot. Right, Baba? Good? Gusto pa ninda, oh. Ha? Go get more rice, kuya. Sak, you want more rice? Get more rice, Baba.
I just want some.
Hi, Auntie Mel. Auntie Mel's here. May dala siyang galing Baker's Delight na may icing na tinapay. Hi, Auntie Mel. How are you?
I'll set him apart.
Is that your favorite? Hi, how are you? Hi! No! Mayroon na siyang proper tools, kaya ayan, okay na siya, guys. Hindi na siya yung, alam nyo kanina, yung pinakita ko, ayan. Good job, Han. Ayan yung proper tool na pinadala ni Jace. Good. Oh, no Easter Bunny. Next week kasi ano na, Easter na. I'm not sure. 5:30 na, guys. Kanina lang umalis si Mel, so hindi ko naayos yung dapat ayusin ko dun sa kwarto ni Holly, yung mga groceries. And si Jan nakaligo na. And fresh na siya. Nag-shave siya, guys. Oh. Smells good? And alam nyo ba, sabi ni Mel sa akin, nag-grocery kasi siya today, wala, as in, parang wala pa rin na toilet paper, and ubos na rin daw yung mga detergent. Di ba naalala nyo na nung last shopping ko, paubos na rin talaga, and wala raw sa Coles, 3 shops daw ang pinunta niya. So, nag-hoard pa talaga as of now. Nag-hoard pa talaga yung mga tao. Okay. Hoy, Baba! Kaya dapat tipid-tipid kami sa damit kasi hindi namin alam kung kailan kami or kailan ako pupunta ng Coles. And even kung pumunta naman ako, wala rin naman ako mabibili kasi sabi ni Mel, wala talaga. And may bagong rules ang Coles. Parang konti lang yung taong papapasukin. Magpipila raw, sabi ni Mel. And yung boys, binigay ko na yung remote kasi nakakaawa sila, naboboard sila. Hindi naman sila pwedeng lumabas dito sa may pagola or dyan sa likod kasi umuulan and malamig. So, binigay ko yung yung game, yung remote para maglaro. Pag alis ni Mel, binigay ko na. And nag-edit na ako, guys, para sa Chana's Kitchen. Baba, what are you doing? Looking something? Okay. Kaya magtitipid tayo sa damit, magtitipid. Yung parang kasi yung mga bata, halos sa isang araw, 2 beses sila magbihis. And sabi ko, hindi naman sila lumabas. Yun na muna yung suotin nila ngayong araw. And baka maligo sila mamaya. Araw-araw din sila naliligo. So, tingnan natin kung yan pa rin ang damit nila. Kasi, konti na lang yung aming, detergent. Konti na lang ba? Kasi bumili akong 3 ata. Naalala nyo yung 3, yung blue, yung Dynamo. So, syempre, ewan ko kung meron pa. I think meron pa akong 2. 6 o'clock na, guys. And si Jan, di ba meron pa akong, tirang, eto ba, yung steak, tapos may prawns, garlic prawns with mashed potato. Sabi ni Sak, sa kanya na lang daw to. And then sabi niya, sige. And then, magko-coco pop si Jan. And then, eto, hatiin ko to sa 2. Kay TJ.
Cocoa Pops for his Christmas.
Dinner. Okay, ayan na siya, oh. And si Mel nagdala nito. And kumain na si Jan ng isa, oh. Kaya feeling ko nabusog siya dahil dyan. And eto si Sak. Get me another knife. And
Can I have that big one, please?
yeah, because Kuya TJ to. Si Kuya ayaw niya ng prawns, so sa kanya yung lahat. Napakaswerte mo, Sak.
On the massive plate.
Okay. Kuya! Slice ko yung steak. Isang steak. Pero 3 nang makakakain, guys. Ayan. Tipid meals tayo ngayon. So, ito yung kay Sak. Si Kuya kasi ayaw niya ng prawns. So, oy! That's Kuya TJ.
Thank you.
Welcome. That's Holly. Kuya! How is it, kids? Very good.
Yeah.
So, hindi ako nagluto. Magluluto sana ako ng spring rolls, pero mamaya na yan. Very good, Baba. Ayun si Sak, oh. So, ayan si John. Ang kanyang dinner ay ang Coco Pops. Diet siya, guys. You finish your food? Tapos na lang kumain, guys. Yes, Daddy. Hindi niya pa yan linalagay kasi magra-round 2 siya, guys. Sabi ko na sa inyo, guys, magto 2 rounds siya, oh. Ayan, nilagay niya na. Ang dami niya kumain ng Coco Pops. Tingnan niyo, paubos na naman yun. Really good, Han? Dessert na sila, guys. Oh, ako nag-edit pa rin ako ng aking final para sa Chana's Kitchen. Ito yung dessert ni Baba Holly. Merong peach, tapos yung chocolate syrup and cream. What you guys say to Daddy?
Thank you.
Thank you. And si Sak magpa-popcorn kasi may movie siyang pinapanood watching.
For me right now, then after Back to the Future.
Ayan, kakainin na nila yung pasalubong sa kanila ni Tita Mel. And, ayun, ubos na yung ice cream at saka yung popcorn. What you gonna say? Okay, thank you. Kuya, get yours. Don't make a mess. And, what's movie now?
Angry Birds. Nah,
I thought you're watching Spider-Man.
that's finished.
Oh,
What
it's
is it? Nah, they're just doing the one who made it.
Alright.
That'll be boring.
It's not boring.
You ripped it. You're boring. You ripped it. I get some sprinkles. Thank you. Hey, no, you don't say. Oh, thank you.
Don't make a mess, ha? Sit on the floor, not on the couch, please. Ayan, sinabayan sila ng daddy nila na dito sila kumain. Guys, 10:30 na. Tapos ko lang kasi mag-edit ng isang vlog para doon sa Chana's Kitchen. And currently uploading siya ngayon. And yung mga bata, tsaka si Jan kanina, nanunod sila ng James Bond. And kanina pa yon. Then si Jan nandun na sa kwarto, natutulog na. Ang natitira ay etong mga bata dito. Hi, Zach. Aren't you tired? Nanunod sila ng SpongeBob, Kuya. Say goodnight now. And eto, hindi yan tulog. Say goodnight to everyone, Baba.
Hi.
Say goodnight.
Hi.
Say thank you. Good night, Kuya.
Good night, guys. Good
Good night. Good night. And ako, ngayon pa lang ako kakain. And yung kakainin ko, alam nyo na, yung tirang kalahating pisngi na, ayan, isda. Ito. Dapat maubos ko na yan. Ngayon pa lang ako kakain. So, yun na guys. Thank you. Sana magustuhan nyo. Kahit wala kaming ganap ngayon. Dapat kasi asikasuhin ko yung yung mga grocery doon sa kwarto ni Holly. Okay, dapat mag-film ako ngayon kaso nga umuulan. And then sabi ni Jan, Tinanong ko siya kung uulan bukas. Sabi niya parang uulan daw bukas. So, sana hindi para makapag-film ako. Pero pag hindi, yun talaga. Yung groceries doon, yung mga pinamili ko, ayusin ko yun. So, yun na guys yung ating vlog for today. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night, guys. And stay home and keep safe, guys. So, thank you. Bye.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause